Hi everybody, Tom Sparks with Sparks Media Group. Today we're going to cover the process for creating an order for a single-use property website. You don't have to have Sparks Media Group provide photography or videography services in order to create a property website with us. You can do that very easily by clicking on the Order Now button. From here we'll put the address in. Select the type of property it is. These required fields you don't have to worry about since we're not providing services. Under the additional notes section, if you already have your media uploaded to Google Drive or Dropbox, you would paste the link there. Hit the next button. From here, we're going to click on a la carte and then add-ons. Here, you'll select property website, add to cart. If you'd like a custom domain name, such as 123streetname.com or any other domain name of your choice, you would click add to cart here. Hit the next button. We can select any date and time. We'll review our order, and if everything looks good, we'll continue to checkout. Here, we will put our billing information in and make our payment. If you don't have media at the time you place the order, no worries. All you have to do is, when you get the media, upload it to Google Drive or Dropbox, and share that link with uploads@sparksmediagroup.com. Please reference your order number in that email. Once we receive the media, we will begin to upload it to the property website platform. This process can take up to 24 hours. Once the media is uploaded, you will receive an email that your order is complete. And that's the process. Thanks for watching.